Selecting a reliable and feature-rich smart doorbell is essential for enhancing home security. Here are 3 of the best options available. First, Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Pros. Video quality, offers 1536p HD video with a head-to-toe view. Features, advanced motion detection, 3D motion detection, and bird's-eye view. Integration, works well with Alexa and has a robust app for remote access. Cons. Subscription, requires a subscription for video recording and other advanced features. Installation, wired installation might be challenging for some users. Sources: Ring, TechRadar. Second, Nest Hello. Pros. Video quality, 1600 by 1200 HD video with HDR and a 4:3 aspect ratio. Features, continuous recording, facial recognition, and pre-recorded responses. Integration, integrates seamlessly with Google Home and other smart devices. Cons. Subscription, requires a Nest-aware subscription for advanced features and storage. Price, higher upfront cost compared to some other models. Sources: Nest, CNET. Finally, Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Pros. Video quality, 1536p HD video with a wide, 180-degree field of view. Features, motion detection, night vision, and built-in siren. Integration, compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Cons. Subscription, requires an Arlo Smart subscription for advanced features. Battery life, battery-powered option needs regular recharging. Sources: Arlo, Tom's Guide. Each of these doorbells offers excellent features and reliability for home security. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 for its advanced motion detection and high video quality. Nest Hello for its continuous recording and integration with Google Home. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell for its wide field of view and compatibility with various smart home systems. Consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.